Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. I am Olivia, and today we are diving into the art of crafting the perfect butterboard. Get ready to elevate your snacking game because we have got the key ingredients for a mouth-watering buttery experience. First up, the stars of the show. Different butter varieties, from rich cultured butters to infused flavors. We have got a spread for every taste bud. Now, let's pair those creamy delights with the perfect canvas. Artisanal bread, crusty baguettes, hearty sourdough, the choices are endless. Let's jazz things up, sprinkle in some herbs, add a dash of spice, and don't forget those zesty condiments. It's all about creating a symphony of flavors. Time for that satisfying crunch. Nuts, seeds, and crispy bites add texture and make your butterboard a delightful sensory experience. Let's end on a sweet note. Dive into the world of sweet spreads, fresh fruits, and honey drizzles. Your butterboard is now a desert dream. Now, let's quench that thirst. Elevate your butterboard experience with the perfect beverage pairing. Whether a refreshing iced tea or a fancy mocktail, a well-paired drink completes the buttery symphony. Let's take our taste buds on a world tour. Add an international flair to your butterboard with a selection of cheeses from around the globe and unique snacks that bring global flavors to your fingertips. Feeling a bit artistic? Dive into the world of Thai butter art. Sculpt, shape, and mold your butter into whimsical forms. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a feast for the eyes as well. And there you have it, the key ingredients for a tantalizing butterboard. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more foodie adventures, and let me know in the comments your favorite buttery combo.